Now you don't need to worry about your phone, whether you are sleeping or away from your phone. The anti-theft app is the perfect solution for you. It starts alarming when someone touches or tries to steal your phone. So without wasting time, open your app store, search for the IANTITheft app, download and install it. Once you open the app, you will see this interface.
Press on continue, then here you will be asked to set new pin code, then confirm it. Now here you can see 4 options.
The first option is motion, followed by power, pocket and handset. However, the last 3 options are initially locked. Let me show you a simple trick to unlock them without purchasing the premium version. Click on settings. You will see an option for a 3-day free trial. Click on it and share the app with one of your contacts. Now all features are unlocked for 3 days. Now I will tell you how you can use each feature. First one is motion. Activate this feature by clicking on it. If your phone is moved, it will start alarming. To stop the alarm, enter your PIN code. Then second one is power. When someone unplugs your phone from charging, an alarm will sound. Enter your PIN code to stop the alarm. Then third one is pocket. If your phone is removed from your pocket, the alarm will go off. This is especially useful in crowded areas. Then fourth one is headset. If someone tries to unplug your earphones or earbuds, the alarm will ring. Enter your PIN code to stop it. Then click here on settings where you can customize alarm sound. You can also customize alarm activation for delay for the alarm to trigger after moment is detected. Then here reset alarm timer. Configure how long the alarm should ring before resetting. Then alarm vibration and face ID. Activate these features if you need. Then volume settings. Here you can adjust alarm, idle and lock unlock volumes. Then PIN code. You can also change your security PIN here. Then smart mode. This is the most important feature of this app. Click on smart and then tap to start. The app will automatically detect the appropriate feature to activate, such as enabling power mode when the phone is charging. Now you are ready to use the app effectively.